Now that we're ready to clean our wheel, you want to make sure you unplug from your power source and you have your clean bowl of water and your sponge, and you can wipe up any of the clay from your potter's wheel. Now if you find you have some dried clay on your potter's wheel, these tools come in really handy for scraping and cleaning off any of the dried clay on your potter's wheel. You also want to clean your tool arm, your shaping tools, get all of your tools nice and clean and ready to go next time. And a very important rule is that your clay water cannot go down your drain. It will damage the drain. So you want to make sure when you're done throwing, you don't dump your bowl of water down your drain to get a fresh bowl. You want to set your dirty water to the side, outside preferably, and let the water evaporate. Then you will have some clay, some dry clay at the bottom that can go into the garbage can.